is Nikki's kitchen. Let me walk over here and get my apron. Here we go. I'm back. Oh boy, we're gonna move up. Yeah, baby. Anyway, I got something in store with you today. Tonight, I mean. And this is gonna be a whopper. But this is called Moving Up. Bacon, ham, chicken, hot dish. Hot dish. Yeah. It's gonna be a good one. And we're moving up, baby. We're moving up. But anyway, this is called, like I said, moving up, on up, bacon and ham and chicken and hot dish. This is a hot dish. And it's Saturday. No, it's not Saturday. Excuse me. But it's Friday. Friday, Labor Day weekend. Woo! And it's September 3rd, 2021. And it's a Friday. Let's get down on my kitchen, baby. Anyway, I got everything preheated, and I'm going to show you step by step to how to make this. This is 3 meats. This is ham, bacon, and chicken. Woo! Me, you, baby. Here we go. Anyway, I got this. The ham all chopped up, ready to go. Then I got the chicken, I cut up. We're moving up, baby, we're moving up. Anyway, I got that done. And I cook my bacon already. So I cut it up in crumbs, so that's even better. Anyway, I did that with the meat. Then I cooked my noodles. Yeah! And they're little ones this time. You could use any kind, but I wanted to use these. And that's ready to go. So we're gonna dump this in the bowl. Yeah, beans don't burn on the stove. Here we go, baby. Oh yeah, looking good. Now, we dump the noodles in the bowl. And now I got off the side, I cut up onions, parsley, and some garlic. And we're going to throw that in the dish with it. Yeah! Yeah! We're moving on with this dish. Oh yeah! Here we go. And then I cut up some lettuce, which I will put on top of the hot dish so it can melt right in there, okay? So that's the reason I love cabbage leaf, so that's even better. Yeah, we're moving up, baby. So I put that off the side, the lettuce, because not the lettuce, but the cabbage. I put the hot meal on top of the cabbage, so it'll melt. It's really good. So anyway, I got this going. I got beans going on the stove in the kitchen, baby. And this is the I cut up, so blend that in. Now I'm going to stir it around so it'll get the garlic to bind together. Now, baby. Now I'm going to put in the whip cream. You don't need that much, but just a little bit. Just like that. Maybe one more teaspoon. 2 teaspoons probably good. Yep, we're moving up with this kitchen, man. We're moving up with this dish. And I just can't wait to see how it comes out, because this is my first time. Okay, the chicken broth. Just use a little bit. And like I said, we'll move it up. Okay, just sprinkle a little bit in there, because it helps the flavor. That's your chicken broth now. Now, A little bit butter. Gotta have a little bit butter. And then I went out and bought my Grey Poupon mustard. Yeah, baby. Okay. A teaspoon, that's it. That's all you need. And then I got 1 can of my cheddar. But I'm going to put it in right now with the other stuff. That's that cheddar I used last time. I'll show you. See? Cheddar. This is in the store by the soup. Yep, we're moving up, baby. Here we go. I hope you're having a great day, great weekend coming. 4-day weekend, baby. Close this up, close this up. I'm done with this. Now, here we go. We already used that, so that's off the side. Salt and pepper it. Yeah, baby. And then I'm going to use a little bit garlic powder. Yeah, baby. Me and you, baby. Yeah, we're moving on up, baby. Now, for the chicken, I got chicken season I used last time, but I'm just going to put it in the chicken. I'm not going to put it in the dish. Just a little bit. Yeah, we're moving up, baby. And it's Friday. And it's Labor Day weekend, baby. We're moving up. Okay, now, this is how it looks like. I'll show you. Everything's on top. And we're going to mix it. You know, it'd probably be better if we're moving up. We're moving up. And I'll put my camera here, baby. And we're moving up, baby. We're moving up. Now I'm going to stir this around. The cream's in there. The chicken broth. And Grey Poupon, salt and pepper. A little bit garlic powder. Onions. Parsley. A little parsley, not much parsley. And garlic. Now, stir it really good so you get, even the butter, I put butter in it too. Because it helps it, because I'm going to stick it, I'm going to cook this. This is a hot dish. But, like I told you, this is moving on up. Okay, this is how it looks like. All mixed with everything. Now you're filling with your 3 meats. Now you're going to have your bacon that I cut up. Just a little portion. All in there. Put that off the side. And your chicken. Put that in. That's done. Yeah, in the kitchen, baby. In the kitchen. And put your ham in. Here we go, baby. We're moving on. See? I told you. 3 meats. Everything's in there. Yeah, baby, we're stirring this around so each bite will be a great bite. Yeah. I'll move this over here and you get a good view. Yeah. We're moving on up. Okay, now. I got everything in there, like I told you. Everything's in there. Mix it all together. Yeah. Now, we are you're going to have one more thing to add. I grated white cheese and yellow cheese. Now remember, I had that cream cheddar in that can, so it's in here already. It helps it. So, just one probably do it. But when you're making the macaroni, you need two. But this looks so good. Oh my gosh. It's me and you, baby. Okay, now, it's all finished. And now it's for the cheese. And you're gonna put it in the oven for about, I say 20 minutes. But check on it, see if the cheese is melted. But this is how it looks like. This is how it looks like. And we did move on. We're moving on. Here we go. Now, the cheese. We're gonna cover it like this. Like this. We're moving on up, baby. With this cheese. Woo! This looks so good. I think I'm gonna make this from now on. It's my first time and I just put my head together and read my magazine and boom. We're moving up with this. But this is how it looks like now, baby, with the cheese. Isn't that scrumptious? That's all you do. You got 3 meats. You got 3 meats in there, baby. And you got your noodles. And you got your onions, garlic, parsley. And then the 3 meats, bacon, ham, and chicken. All in one. Chop it up. Blend it in there. And you got it made. And your can. And your whip. And your Grey Poupon. And your butter. And your chicken broth. And your salt and pepper and your garlic powder. I think I got it all. Yeah, I got it all. But this is how it looks. I'm going to stick it in the oven. And I can't wait to eat this. Because it's going to be a whopper. Now usually you can set it to 350 or 400. But I set it 350 because I like it really juicy. But we're moving on. And this is the Jefferson theme song I love. And this dish really came out. And I hope you make it at home because it looks so good. But anyway, stay in tune with my video. And you could comment. Just be glad to comment with me. Because I'll answer back to you anytime. But anyway, keep on watching and tell your friends and tell your families to watch me because I'm here in the kitchen for you. Easy, easy cooking. Easy, step by step. And in the kitchen, step by step. That's all you need. But anyway, comment, subscribe. I need more subscribers because I'm here for you. I always will. And I love everybody. And I hope everybody's healthy and safe. So stay in tune. There'll be more to come. This is September, like I said. And I'm here for you. And fall's coming. Summer is around the corner to end. But this is probably the last weekend of the summer. But we're going to fall. But anyway, stay in touch. And I'm here, baby. And I'm always going to be here. And I'm in my kitchen for you. So stay in tune. And I'll be back again. God bless you.